We are back to another episode of Ruben aka Yoshi's definition of fun. Luckily, this time this dumbass told me what the Kandi t-shirt is actually going to be based off of. Apparently, he is trying to copy the theme for an Insomniac event called Beyond Wonderland. And from my understanding, it is related to the movie Alice in Wonderland. Not exactly sure how this is going to go, but I hope that Tim Burton doesn't try to find him once he is done. To start off, he's attached the beads to the string against their will and with a snap of the fingered voila. A demonic pink face on the side. Wait a minute, it's Cheshire the Cat. Figures he put that's the only pussy he will ever get. It's starting to come out nicely and finally has the word Wonderland. I see eyes in the back. Wait, he just put himself on the Kandi t-shirt. And I can see the words, "Are you mad?" Let's be realistic. What kind of sane person would actually be willing to create something as complicated as this? I'm just saying this shirt is a great representation of his actual life. I think he is almost done, and when in the flying fuck did he make a castle? Looks like all he has to do left is attach the bra straps. I mean the shoulder straps, and he is all set. Also, we need to sign a new petition for him to vacuum his carpet. And I guess he's also adding his handle. Not like anyone is going to see it. He's like 6'5". Who's going to see that? And just like that, he is done. It's time for my coffee break. While you wait for me to come back, check out these pictures in 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching.